Hi everyone, it's Jake. I'm going to paint a self-portrait in oils using a fast and effective Alla Prima technique. In Italian, Alla Prima means at first attempt. I'm painting for the Sky Arts Portrait Artist of the Year competition. It's a TV show here in the UK where artists compete for a commission. My goal is to create a painterly effect with the brushstrokes clearly visible. Watch to the end and find out how I get on. I'm using a simple, limited palette for skin tones. Thin oils can lose their intensity of colour, so I'm putting down large dabs of paint. I start by sketching out the face with a thin mix of ultramarine blue and burnt umber. Having the reference the same size as the canvas makes it much easier to draw in proportion. Using a broad brush loaded with paint to create bold strokes, I'm working from dark to light. Blocking in the shadows and developing the face with lighter and lighter tones. I noticed that in the transitions from dark to light, the colour becomes saturated, so I've mixed an orange to describe these accents. I tried to paint each stroke into another, not side by side like puzzle pieces, but overlapping and flowing together. Continuing to work from dark to light, I'm now blocking in the lightest skin tones. Instead of blending on the canvas, I'm mixing the transitional colours on the palette and placing them directly where needed. A neat little trick is to create soft edges by loading the brush with two colours at once. I'm careful to match the correct values in the whites of the eyes. Notice how the right side is in shadow and is much darker than the left. Just before I overwork the painting, I remember what I set out to do and step away. And here's the finished painting. I'm quite happy with the thick brush strokes, that Alla Prima technique, and some of the blue showing through. Let me know what you think in the comments. All that's left to do now is send it off to the competition and see what they think.
Oh bro, looks like the letters come through. Fingers crossed. Fucking ticket. Maybe next time. Oh, hey! Let's find out how we got on. Better luck next time.
Oh no, Jacob, no, oh no.
I'll definitely be joining again next year. I encourage everyone to join competitions, a great motivator, reminding us to get painting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support the channel by subscribing, hitting like, and commenting your thoughts down below. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.